and welcome back to Vanircreations studio vlogs. It has been a while since I last vlogged. I think my last vlog was a market one, which was the end of, or maybe the start of autumn or the end of summer last year. I don't really like to vlog in winter because it's just not my time. And I thought I'd start vlogging here because I've decided to do a few exciting things. One which is starting to do festivals and more markets. I've just finished taking reels and listings of all these which I'm going to be taking to the markets. So yeah, oh, and you probably can see here, this is, well, it did have all the sun catchers here before I started doing the reels, but I've just taken them off. And this is going to be kind of like my new stall, along with my stand. If you remember from my market vlogs, I had like a stand next to it and then maybe a shelf on the other side. So yeah, that is the first update of 2023. I'll show you a few of the new sun catchers that I've made this week. This one which Sam helped me with, she did the top hoop. She actually came up with the colours for this one as well. And then these ones that I've made, they're new. This one's new, this one's new, they're all new. This is an old style that I did, but I've put like different bottoms on them. And that's a DIY kit. I'm running out of hoops. These metal hoops really fast because I buy them on Amazon, but I've actually found a wholesaler's, so I'm going to have so many more of them, which means I can sell them at more affordable prices, which is really good. Hi. This one is a DIY kit, by the way, but I've had to take the hoop out of here because I've had to use it in another one. This is the problems that I'm having, but hopefully that stock will come soon and then I won't have to do that. Yeah, but this is the DIY kit that should be up today, so this vlog will probably go up next week when I finished it. And this is the room. My studio room is just looking exactly the same as it was before, pretty much. Still not been properly, what's it called, plastered, and the ceiling still needs to be skimmed. But that's hopefully something I'm going to get, even if it's at the end of this year. I really want to get this room just done, so then it feels nice, because I always feel like I'm coming in here and it just feels like it's just so unfinished. And the fact that we have such a small space to work in now, it would be so much nicer if I could just have it complete, because obviously my old studio in the back, turn this round again, my old studio, that's my kind of garage, that's just used purely for stock now, and then I work in this room. It's just like a absolute mess stock room, which I'll probably show you later on in the vlog when I've tidied it. So yeah, that's all used for that. And later on in this vlog I'll probably be able to announce the first festival that I'm doing this year. We are doing the Makers Market. Me and Sam are going to do that together on the 13th of May, I think. That's going to be the first market that I do this year and I'm so excited. I sat down and I just asked myself what, sorry I've got my hat on, that's because I've been filming reels. I love them hats, lack of colour. Yeah, I've sat down and I thought to myself, what do I actually want to do? Like what do I want to do more of? What do I enjoy more? And it was definitely markets and festivals. I'm always really quiet in summer as well, so I thought, why not do something that I really enjoy? And also I can be working at the same time. So yeah, that's what I've done. As you can see, I've just been packing a lot of orders. We have recently gone a little bit viral on TikTok, and for some reason when your TikToks do well, when your posts or like your videos do well on TikTok, it gives you a lot more sales and a lot more traffic to your website. And I find that on Instagram I can do twice as many views and not even have one sale, but I'll do like a quarter of the views on TikTok and I'll get like 3 sales. I don't have a clue why that is, but it's definitely something that I've noticed, which means I need to spend more time on TikTok. But for some reason when I go on TikTok, it just shows me, I mean, it shows you what you like, and it shows me a lot of like funny videos, cute videos, mainly funny videos. I'm guessing that's because every time I see a funny video I'm watching it. But on Instagram it shows me all like artists, like cute little videos of the countryside and things like that. Easier to post on Instagram, that's what I'm trying to say, than on TikTok, because I'm not doing funny videos really, I'm doing like artistic videos, and I don't really know how to, sometimes I get confused on how to do it. I don't know. Maybe I'll find, I just feel like I'm not there with TikTok. I don't know. I get confused with it. I'm just packing up this order. It's one of my newer sun catchers, and I've been giving out in most of my orders, when I've got them in, little crystals like this as a little thank you. I've been trying to do it in every order. I'm going to put that on my little thank you card. And also I ship with FedEx, if you didn't know, worldwide, which is really good because these boxes are actually free when you ship with FedEx, and they've saved me an absolute fortune. So I'm going to do some more packaging now. I'll see you later. So now I've finished doing the orders for today. I'm going to do a few more reels. So I've done all the videos and reels and pictures for these guys, but what I do now is I get out Loki's table, and I get we had a piece of my kitchen top table here. We had a piece of this left over when we got our kitchen fitted, so I use that for my reels, so I'm going to do that now, and I'll show you a bit of what I do. So I'm just sat here editing the reels that I've made today, well, one of them, and I edit it on KineMaster on my phone. I find that the easiest. The apps, especially reels, can be really hard to use, and they glitch, different glitches every time I use it, it seems to be. So I use KineMaster, and then I download it to TikTok or Reels, depending on which one it's going to go on. And I've just edited that one, and I'm going to watch it. I'll let you guys see. So yeah, that's the one of them. That's just a new one, but I've just realised I need to do the DIY kit really, because I need to be promoting that, because I am going to put that live on my YouTube today. and I've not actually done a reel for it, so I probably should be doing that over this one. It's just because I thought this one was really pretty because Sam chose the colours for it and I was just like, oh, that's amazing. So I thought I'd do a reel for it. So yeah, and I kind of need to go and make another reel for this other one, which is fine because it's really light and I've got time. And then I've got one more order to do today, which is a big macrame order. And I really need to go out there because it's the start of spring and it's really sunny, and if I don't get out today I'm going to be really annoyed at myself. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. Wednesday, I have just been tidying this room, sorting it out, so I've got everything that we don't need in this room out, and it is an absolute mess. I've also filmed another DIY tutorial for YouTube that will go up before this one? No, after this vlog, so I'll show you that. And what else am I doing today? I'll be doing my tax tomorrow, so tidied up. Oh, I did an order as well this morning, finished that off. I'm about to do what I call the warehouse, which is not a warehouse, it's just my garage. I'm about to tidy that in a minute, and I really don't want to do it. So I thought I'd just film for a second, just try and get in the zone. I've literally got rid of all the stuff that we didn't need. I've gone through all this bit. I really want new furniture in here, but I don't know when that's going to happen. The main focus is getting it plastered and skimmed this year. And I've gone through all the bottom and just tidied it up and swept, and all through the tops and just tidied all this. So the things that are in here are things that I use on a weekly basis or things that are really important. So like these drawers are full of like receipts and tax from this year, and then I'll sort it out into the tax folder, and then that'll go upstairs. Oh, my FedEx guy's here. FedEx! So yeah, I'll show you, oh my god, let me just show you this quick before. So yeah, so I'll speak to you later when I've finished the other room. Hello and happy Friday. I'm not even sure what the last thing was that I filmed because I kind of just stopped. But yeah, now it's Friday, and I am working on a couple of orders. I've got all the hoops that I've wrapped in crystals. I did this yesterday and last night, so I do this kind of like while I'm watching my programmes at night. At the moment I'm watching At First Sight, Married at First Sight Australia, because my friend recommended it. So that's like, it's good because I can watch it but I don't have to give it my full attention. So that's been good. So watching that, and now I'm just about to finish this sun catcher, and I thought I'd show you me putting this together. And here is the sun catcher I've just been making finished. The sun, the weather has just took a horrible turn. Like, look at next door's washing. It's so windy, and the next few days are just going to be rain and just horrible weather, which I'm really not looking forward to because I just hate dull weather. Anyway, so I think I'm going to leave this vlog here, and I'm probably going to announce what festival we are going to in the next vlog, which is really naughty of me, but I've not had, oh look, the sun's just come out. Oh, and now it's gone. Anyway, I think I'm going to announce what festival in the next vlog because I've not had a few things confirmed yet, and we've got like a discount code for something to do with this festival as well. So I'm going to do that in the next vlog and just talk to you about like the preparation I'm going to be taking for that, or doing for that. So I'm going to end this vlog here, and I'll see you in the next one.